Chapter 4 Determinant Extra Sum. We want to prove a determinant BC minus A square, CA minus B square, AB minus C square, CA minus B square, AB minus C square, BC minus A square, AB minus C square, BC minus A square, CA minus B square, 3 cross 3 determinant is divisible by A plus B plus C, and we want to find the quotient by dividing A plus C. A plus B plus C, what is remaining, that we want to find out. Okay, so we'll start. So first I am applying one application C1 in column number 1. The application is C1 plus C2 plus C3, means we are adding column 2 and column 3 in column number 1. Okay, so what will get to AB plus BC plus CA minus A square minus B square minus C square. Same way, column number second element of first column also will be same, AB plus BC plus CA minus A square minus B square minus C square. Same way, third column element of first column also will remain same. Remaining two column as it is. Okay. Now next step is taking AB plus BC plus CA minus A square minus B square minus C square common from first column. So this is here. So in column number 1 what will get 1 1 1 because we have taken common. Remaining two columns as it is. Now in this term I am doing some adjustments. So here I am multiplying. First I am taking minus common and multiplying and dividing by 2. So when we take minus outside, this will become A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. Now we are multiplying and dividing by 2. Two steps are done together. So denominator 2 as it is, numerator 2 I am multiplying inside. So this will become 2A square plus 2B square plus 2C square minus 2AB minus 2BC minus 2CA. And in this determinant I am applying application, that is R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. So 1 minus 1 will be 0. First row will become remain as it is. Second row will become 1 minus 1 0. AB minus C square minus CA minus will become plus B square. BC minus A square minus AB minus will become plus C square. And in row 3 1 minus 1 0. BC minus A square minus CA minus B square will become plus B square. CA minus B square minus AB minus will become plus a C square. Okay. Now here in this bracket, the term which is outside determinant, I am again doing adjustment. This 2A square I am writing A square plus A square. This minus 2AB as it is. This 2B square I am writing B square plus B square minus 2BC as it is. This 2C square I am writing C square plus C square and minus 2CA as it is. Okay. Now in determinant, what is left? First column as it is, second column CA minus B square, and here you see AB minus CA. From AB minus CA I am taking A common, so it will get B minus C left, plus B square minus C square. B square minus C square will become B minus C into B plus C. And in next element, third element of column 2, from BC minus CA I am taking C common, so it will get B minus A. And B square minus A square, the factors are B minus A into B plus A. Same way in third column, first element as it is. In second element, from BC minus AB, B common, so it will get C minus A plus C square minus A square will become what? C minus A into C plus A. Same way in third element, CA minus AB will take A common, so it will get C minus B plus C square minus B square will become C minus B into C plus B. Okay. Now so here the element or term which is outside the determinant will become what? A square minus 2AB plus B square will become A minus B the whole square. B square minus 2BC plus C square will become B minus C the whole square, plus C square minus 2CA plus C square will become C minus A the whole square. And this determinant will become what? First column as it is, second column CA minus B square as it is. Here I am taking B minus C common, so it will get A plus B plus C. Same way here I am taking B minus C common, so it will get C plus B plus A, that is nothing but A plus B plus C. Same way in third column, AB minus C square as it is. From these two I am taking C minus A common, so it will get B plus C plus A, that is nothing but A plus B plus C. From third element I am taking C minus B common, so it will get A plus C plus B, that is nothing but A plus B plus C. Now the term which is outside determinant will be as it is, and in this determinant from second row and third row I am taking A plus B plus C common, so it will get A plus B plus C the whole square, because two times we have taken A plus B plus C common. So what is left in determinant? First column as it is 1 0 0. Second column CA minus B square, B minus C, B minus A. ab minus c square as it is, c minus a, c minus b. Okay, now just expansion of this determinant with column number 1, remaining all term as it is, remaining terms are as it is. So when we expand this determinant by 1, what I'll get? b minus c into c minus b, you see, b minus c into c minus b, minus c minus a into b minus a, c minus a into d minus a. Okay, this expansion, remaining term I am keeping as it is. Okay, so this expansion only I am showing, bc minus b square minus c into c minus c square minus minus plus c into b, that is bc. Then expansion with minus, this bracket expansion, so minus cb, that is minus bc. Then minus c into minus a plus ca, that is ac. Then minus into minus a into b, that will be plus ab. Then minus into minus into minus, that is minus a into a, minus a square. Now here this bc will get cancelled with this bc. Now this minus which is outside the bracket I am multiplying inside here. So this will become what? B square or plus c square plus a square, because minus term will become plus when we are multiplying this minus inside this bracket. So we'll get what? A square plus b square plus c square. This will become minus ab minus bc minus c, you see here. Okay, now half as it is, a plus b plus c as it is, and 1 a plus b plus c I am multiplying in this bracket. So what is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c? That is nothing but a cube plus b cube plus a cube minus 3abc, and remaining bracket as it is, that is a minus b the whole square plus b minus c the whole square plus c minus a the whole square as it is. So when we divide this term, or we can say this term has a multiple, a plus b plus c is there, a bracket term. It means this term is divisible by a plus b plus c. That is the first part we proved. It is divisible by a plus b plus c. And on dividing this term by a plus b plus c, what is the left term? Half into the bracket a minus b the whole square plus b minus c the whole square plus c minus a the whole square into the bracket a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So this is known as quotient.